Good evening, my dear students. Come on, let's study English together. So here, this is second PUC English video. So second PUC English, whoever has not yet started their studies, so come on, let's join and study together. My intention of making this video is to help all the second PUC students who are attending March 2025 exam. And to make their board exam easy, I have designed this plan for them. I hope this will be very useful and I am awaiting for your genuine comments. So let's begin. Now, this is the rough plan which I have made for all the students. I can say this is the best plan which you can stick on. But if you can't, try to balance, try to manage. Along with this, still you have to add up grammar as well. So within 1 month, you can cover entire English syllabus. So as I have written here, today I am uploading the video. It's Wednesday, 25th on Christmas Day. Subject is English. You can see all my videos on this channel. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. So this is January timetable. Today date is 25th and day is Wednesday. So unit number, all the numbers I have written down here. January entire month I have tried to cover all the portions. Unit name I have written and number of days required plus with dates I have done this for you all. So I hope it will be very helpful, and if you all need other subjects help as well, then kindly drop me a comment. And if you all want me to teach these chapters also, please let me know. So yeah, let's begin. First poem, Romeo and Juliet, written by William Shakespeare. So on 1st January 2025, first day you will complete this. I have purposely written all the writers' names because in match the following, in fill in the blanks, or in answer the following, or even while writing the answers, you have to compulsorily remember the author or the poet's name. It will fetch you more marks. Okay? So first day we'll read Romeo and Juliet. Second, Two Deer written by Tolstoy from 2nd till 3rd January, 2 days, 2nd and 3rd. Next, third on Children, Khalil Gibran poem, 4th January. Only 1 day is enough for this. Fourth lesson, lesson or article. Everything I need to know I learned in the forest, written by Vandana Shiva. 5th to 7th, minimum 3 days is required. 5th, a sunny morning chapter. This is Spanish chapter. So Serafin and Joaquin Alfres Quinter. It is translated from Spanish. So 8th, 9th, 10th, minimum 3 days. Then 6th, When You Are Old, written by William Butler Yeats. 11th January 2025, 1 day is enough for this poem. 7th, The Gardener, P. Lankesh. 12th, 13th, 14th, minimum 3 days. Then 8th, To the Food from Its Child, Pablo Neruda, 15/1/2025. 9th, again an article, I believe that books will never disappear, Robert Alfiano with George Louis Botts. 16th, 17th, 18th of January, 3 days you will need for this article. 10th, Heaven, If You Are Not on Earth, written by Kuempu. 19th, 1 day. 11th, Japan and Brazil Through a Traveler's Eye, George Mikes. 21st, 2 days. 12th, The Water Chapter, written by Chinua Achebe. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 3 days needed. 13th, Where There Is a Wheel, written by P. Lankesh. 25th, 26th, 27th of January. 14th, Water, Chellupalli Swaruparani. 28th and 29th. So 2 days. And at the end you can do revision. So kindly follow this pattern and I hope this will be very useful for you all. Any doubts, any way I can help you all in the language, kindly comment and please let me know. Please, please, please follow and subscribe to my channel because this will support me to make more videos. Thank you. Looking forward for your comments and I hope you all even update me that are you studying on the same day and is it helpful for you? Thank you.